What is division? Division means sharing or splitting something into equal parts. For example, you have 12 cupcakes and 3 friends, including you, that makes 4 people. How many cupcakes does each person get? You're dividing 12 cupcakes by 4 people. Each person gets 3 cupcakes. You have 10 toy cars and want to give them to 2 kids equally. How many cars does each kid get? 5 cars. You have 8 apples and want to share them with 4 friends plus you. How many apples does each person get? That's tricky. You can't divide 8 apples equally among 5 people without cutting them. So sometimes, division doesn't give a whole number. I have 12 cupcakes and 4 people to share with. Each person gets 3 cupcakes. I have 6 cookies and 2 kids. Divide it equally. Each kid gets 3 cookies. I have 15 balloons and 5 kids. How many balloons will each kid have? Each kid gets 3 balloons. I have 20 stickers and 4 friends. How many should I give them equally? 5 stickers each. I have 18 crayons and 3 boxes. How many crayons are there in each box? Each box gets 6 crayons. I have 9 candies and 3 kids. How many candies for each kid? Each kid gets 3 candies. I have 14 marbles and 2 kids. Divide the marbles equally. Each boy gets 7 marbles. I have 8 pairs of socks and 2 drawers. How many socks should I put in each drawer? 4 socks in each cabinet. I have 20 juice pouches and 5 friends. Divide it equally. Each of them gets 4 juice pouches. I have 15 paintbrushes and 3 kids. How many paintbrushes will be given to each kid? Each of them gets 5 paintbrushes. I have 2 juice bottles and 2 kids. How many juice boxes will be given to each kid? Each of them get 1 bottle of juice. I have 5 cookies and 2 kids. Can this be shared equally between the 2 of them? Each of them get 2 cookies and 1 cookie will remain. I can't split them evenly without breaking a cookie. Division means sharing or splitting things equally. If you have something and you want to give the same amount to everyone, you're doing division. Now you know what division means. It's just fair sharing or splitting things equally. Next time you share snacks, toys, or anything else, you're actually doing math. How cool is that? Keep practicing, and you'll be a division superstar in no time.
If you're loving this content, like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. Let's keep learning.